In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook that contains the worksheet you want to work on. Before we start locking anything, it's important to understand how Excel handles cell protection. By default, every cell in a worksheet is already marked as locked, but that setting does nothing until you protect the worksheet. That's why the process involves both choosing which cells should be locked and then turning sheet protection on. If you want to lock only certain cells and leave the rest editable, begin by unlocking all cells in the sheet. To do that, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select the entire worksheet. Then right-click anywhere in the selected area and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, go to the Protection tab. You'll see that the locked option is checked by default. Uncheck Locked and then click OK. This makes the whole worksheet editable for now, which gives you control over exactly which cells you want to protect. Next, select the specific cells you want to lock. You can click and drag to highlight a range, or select individual cells as needed. Once those cells are selected, right-click on them and choose Format Cells again. Go back to the Protection tab, check the locked box, and click OK. At this point, those selected cells are marked as locked, but they still won't actually be protected until you protect the worksheet itself. Now go to the Review tab at the top of Excel and click Protect Sheet. This is the step that activates the locked setting. You'll see options that let you control what other users are allowed to do, such as selecting Unlock Cells. Adjust those settings based on how much flexibility you want people to have when using the sheet. You can also enter a password if you want to prevent others from removing the protection. If you choose to do that, Excel will ask you to type the password again to confirm it, then click OK. Once that's done, the cells you selected will be locked and can't be edited unless the worksheet is unprotected. If someone clicks on Unlock Cells, they'll still be able to make changes there, which is useful when you want to protect formulas, headers, or important data while still allowing input in certain areas. That's all it takes to lock cells in Excel and better control how your worksheet can be edited.